is the original control. These are the control boards that are coming out. The obsolete control boards. And then we have some power supplies and relays which will all be checked as part of the procedure. Okay, we now have the base on the pedestal. This one is stainless steel, they're normally black. We have the controller out, power supply still left in. All these connections will now go directly to the new board and it will be running. Okay, we now have the finished machine with the new board in. All original ribbons are still used, all the connectors are the same, so it's a direct replacement board.